day, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. We are on the second video review of our iTel Smartwatch Storm Ultra, also known as the iTel ISW023 smartwatch. And as you can see here are the specs. 2.02-inch TFT LCD screen with a 320 by 390 pixel resolution, 300 mAh, IP68, Bluetooth version 5.3. Okay, so let's check on the UI as well as the offered menus and features of the iTel O23 smartwatch. So if you are interested to see the offered features for the new smartwatch from iTel, drop a comment below, and of course support our channel by liking, sharing, and subscribing. Okay, so let's start and explore the features, the menus of the Smartwatch Storm Ultra. So on top we have the settings and other options for your smartwatch. On the bottom part we have the notifications. On the left side we have the split screen, and on the right side we have the different cards here, or the widgets. You can add your own if you like. Okay, we have at least two here. Okay, to access the menus and features, I guess you have to press this power button. The side button, let's see. So what's the function? Okay, so the function of the side button is for the sports function, as you can see here. And for the offered menus and features, let's check it out. So we do have here activity tracking, the sleep monitoring, you have the heart rate monitoring, phone call, that is for the Bluetooth call. Let's check. Okay, you have to activate it first on the support app. And we do have the exercise, so here are the exercise records. And for the sports functions, these are the available sports functions for the Smartwatch Storm Ultra. Okay, so let's check it out. Swimming, climbing, tennis. So there are comprehensive list of sports functions here, as you can see. Okay, go back. We have the blood oxygen monitoring, stress monitoring, we have weather, message notifications, we have shutter. So this is player, relaxation. This is for the music control, AI voice. We have timer, alarm, stopwatch, cycle tracking, find phone. We also have it here. We have calculator. We have games. How many games do we have? We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have at least 5 games here. Okay. Then what else? What are the additional features here? We have games and settings. For the settings, we have display here. We have brightness adjustment, sleep. Let's check on the display, the sleep. Let's make it 20 or 20. Okay. We have the watch face, low power mode, menu view. How many do we have? Okay, so we have several options here for the menu options. Okay. Then what else do we have? Settings, phone, low power mode, we have password, and that's it. Okay, again, so here are the features of the iTel O23 smartwatch, also known as the iTel Smartwatch Storm Ultra. Okay, so we do have a lot of options here, including health and fitness, timer, alarm, stopwatch, cycle tracking, find phone, calculator, and games. do not disturb mode, low power mode, password, and for the system we have power off, restart, and reset. Okay, so it is a simple smartwatch with a features for health, fitness, and communication. And for the watch faces, so here are the preloaded watch faces. Okay, custom watch faces. I think this is custom watch faces. Okay, so that's it for our iTel O23 smartwatch, the Smartwatch Storm Ultra model, the latest smartwatch from iTel. Then if you find this video useful, drop a comment below, like, share, and subscribe. Bye.